Before we talk about who should take creatine, we need to talk about who should not. Because responsible health guidance doesn't say this works for everyone. It says, here's when it may help, and here's when it's smarter to pause. If you've been wondering, is creatine actually safe for someone like me? This video is for you. Most supplement videos skip this part. They talk benefits and ignore medications, medical history, and real-life complexity. But after 60, your body isn't a blank slate. You may be managing prescriptions, chronic conditions, past kidney or heart issues. Ignoring that isn't confidence, it's carelessness. So today, we draw clear, responsible lines. A viewer once told me, I was ready to start creatine until I realized no one had talked about my blood pressure meds. That pause was wise, because sometimes the smartest health move is not adding something, but understanding whether you should. First, let's talk about who should absolutely pause or avoid the creatine supplement. 1. Anyone who has been diagnosed with a kidney disease. If you have chronic kidney disease, reduced kidney function, or a history of kidney injury, creatine is not appropriate without medical supervision. Research shows creatine is safe for healthy kidneys, but existing kidney disease changes the equation. Pause. Talk with your physician first. 2. Unexplained elevated creatinine on lab work. Creatine can raise blood creatinine without harming kidneys. But if your labs already show elevated creatinine and you don't know why, adding creatine before clarity is not wise. Clarity first, decisions second. Creatine isn't a drug, but it affects hydration and filtration. Talk with your provider if you take diuretics, water pills. These increase fluid loss. Creatine requires good hydration. Certain blood pressure medications, especially ones affecting kidney blood flow. Frequent NSAID use. Chronic use can stress kidneys, which matters when combined with creatine. This doesn't mean never, it means individual assessment. Creatine may not be ideal if you experience severe fluid retention or uncontrolled high blood pressure, frequent cramping or dehydration, or advanced liver disease. Not because creatine is dangerous, but because your body is already under strain. Let's clear up a few myths. First one, creatine damages kidneys. Not in healthy individuals. Next on my myth list, it's only for bodybuilders. It's for cellular energy. Finally, the myth, more is better, is especially false for anyone over the age of 60. This is about context, not fear. A very important reminder. If something here applies to you, you're not doing anything wrong. Avoiding a supplement is not failure, it's enlightenment, and you have choices. You still have powerful options. 1. Protein optimization, often more impactful than supplements. 2. Light resistance training. Bands, chairs, body weight. Consistency beats intensity. 3. Hydration plus electrolytes. Low energy is often low hydration. 4. Walking plus balance work. These preserve independence better than anything. Supplements never replace movement. If your doctor confirms it's appropriate, creatine monohydrate is the best type to consider with a 3 to 5 gram daily dosage. No need to have a loading phase, and most importantly, stay hydrated. But remember, this video is about when not to take it. My final message. This is about judgment. Health after 60 is not about chasing every option. It's about choosing what fits. Your body, your medications, your history. Creatine can be helpful, but opting out can be just as wise. I'm curious, did anything on this list surprise you? Your comment might help someone else realize they need to pause and ask a question first. If this helped you feel more confident saying yes, no, or not right now, then it did its job. Like the video if it cleared confusion. Subscribe if you value calm, evidence-based guidance for aging well. Because sometimes, doing less, thoughtfully, is the healthiest choice of all.